How to enable Spotify lossless audio on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Spotify on your Mac, and after that, on the top left hand side corner, you would be able to find Spotify. Simply select it, and here you get this option of settings. Simply select this. Now simply scroll down over here and you get this option of audio quality, and here you need to simply select this option of streaming quality, and here you would get lossless option if you have Spotify Premium, otherwise you won't get it. Simply turn on the lossless over here in the streaming quality, and also turn the lossless option on the download option as well, but this will appear only if you have Spotify Premium, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.